Okay, so after going over all these theories, my theory is that there's three main variables that affect women nowadays when it comes to their propensity to engage in crime. I think it comes down to opportunity, um, money, obviously, and I'd have to say pop culture media. Those three, because I think everybody is now, we're at the time where women are in the workforce just as much as men are, and they have the same opportunities. I say that because I'm going to use an example from my hometown. Her name is Georgia Baca. She used to be our treasurer, and this happened last year. She um, she embezzled over $33,000 into her own account from the King County City Council, and it's she had that opportunity and she took it. She chose to, and money. I think, like I stated before, that's one of the variables I really think play a huge part in this. If they're at a point of low socioeconomic status, then I think they have a higher propensity to engage in criminal or delinquent acts because they do want to get more money. Because nowadays, everything as is shown through social, pop culture media and social media, it's revolving around money. How much money do you have? What are you able to do with your money? What kind of items do you have? And I learned in criminology, taught by Professor Crook about a year back, that the number one crime that women get arrested for is shoplifting. And I don't know if it's rush. I think it's just women do like material objects. Not to say that men don't, but women do, and so that's what they want. They take that. And I think also through social media we see a hypersexualization of women. And that's why I think a lot of women are kind of turning to prostitution or these jobs where they are sexually objectified, like stripping or being a escort, or even, I hate saying it, but porn. Women turn to these jobs where it's mostly sexually based, and so I think social media has a lot to do with that, influencing these young girls. So those would be my three. And we don't see it with just white collar crimes. We also see that women have a propensity for violent crimes, like this one right here, Brandy Worley. She ended up killing her two kids after hearing that her husband had filed for a divorce. So nowadays, and that was just, I don't know. I don't honestly know what her motive was for that. I don't know if she was under extreme duress or she had mental illnesses, but it just shows that women have the exact same opportunities to engage in either white collar crimes or violent crimes. So nobody's really exempt from it, and that's my personal theory on why women are more apt to commit crimes nowadays.